Dongfeng 35 meters telescopic boom aerial work platform truck. Engineered for safety, built for durability, designed for versatility. Built on a robust Dongfeng Delica chassis. This 35 meters aerial work truck delivers exceptional performance for high-altitude operations. Its fully telescopic boom system, paired with heavy-duty hydraulic outriggers, ensures maximum stability even at full extension, making it ideal for utility maintenance, street light repairs, telecommunications, and construction work. 35 meters maximum working height with precise hydraulic boom control. Heavy-duty 4-point outriggers for enhanced stability on uneven terrain. Spacious stainless steel work basket with safety railings. Rated for 200 kilograms load capacity. Dual operation system, ground control panel plus. Basket-mounted controls for flexible operation. Multi-layer safety protection, emergency stop, overload protection, and outrigger interlock system. Compact design for easy maneuvering in urban and narrow work sites. From routine maintenance to complex high-rise projects.